Good afternoon, YouTubers. 4:15 Saturday afternoon. And that's the sun. That's about as bright as it's been all day. Which is kind of nice because it's not hot and sticky. It's just hot and sticky. But the air quality is so bad today. We're actually getting stinging eyes. It's got a bit better than it was earlier on. See that scooter's come out there now. Well, round about there, she'd disappear in the smog, which isn't very nice. Still gonna not very nice. There's my horrible paint reaction, which I can't see because it was too bright out here, but it hasn't got any better, funny enough. But what has got a bit better is the scabby panels. It was a bit naughty of me to leave them that long in bare metal actually. It took me a long time. I had to scrub all the filler back off, get right back down to the bare metal, prep it all up again. And I thought, well, while you're at it, get your finger out, get your heater bowl done. So I've got my heat bowl done, smeared loads of filler on there again, which you can still see. Look at it. I absolutely hate prep work. There must be a retired dude in the UK who hasn't got COVID-19 yet, who sits at home freezing his nuts off in the winter, bored out of his brains, who could really do with being over here, living here for free and giving me a hand. Oh, I'm getting paid in beer and Minitron's cooking. But I digress. Let's get back on with what else has happened. So when did I do this? Must have been this morning, I think. Yeah, it was, wasn't it? This morning, yeah. I got a couple of nice coats on it and it was all looking sweet and lovely. Oh, fuck off, you moron. Here's one of the daily retards. Yeah, it was all going lovely. And then we've picked up all this silicone. I've not had that issue on the any of the paintwork yet. And it was all wiped down with panel wipe. So that's annoying. So many annoying things. But I suppose really, as I've done this all by myself, at least when someone points something out and says, oh, who the hell did that? That's shit. I can put my hand up and say, me. Well, I suppose that's about it really for today's update. Oh, apart from this what do you call it? YouTube scam thing. This thing that keeps putting comments on my videos, but then when I go to look at my videos, the comments aren't there. He's changing names every 5 minutes now. What's he called now? Kevin Corona. Ah, very funny. Excimer sub to me. Oh, I must have picked up about 4 or 5 today. It's quite easy to spot him though, because he posts more than once and he always puts the same thing. Oh yeah, great content, awesome video, keep up the good work. It's always the same bullshit. A bit like that wanker on eBay that keeps scamming people. Puts up the same stuff every time. Contact me before bidding. No, it don't work like that. But anyway, enough of me waffling on. We've got to crack on with that front panel. And then knock that back wing out, but not literally knock it out, although I have got to knock that bloody sill out there because that's a mess. So I suppose that's tomorrow's job. I'm rubbing all the bloody paint back off of them, but I can wait. I'll best get on then. It's fridge time. Cheerio now.